Minasan, konnichiwa. Vidula desu. Yokoso to my YouTube channel, Simple Japanese Conversation. So, from today, kyou kara Nihongo de wa kaku koto ni hajimemashou. So, from today, we will start learning writing in Japanese language. So, ここで始めましょう。今はちょっと待ってください。We will go to the learning page just now. Okay. Minasan, can you see the screen over here? Okay. We will start now. So, as you know that in Japanese language there are three scripts: hiragana, katakana and kanji. So today we will start with hiragana script, and as you know, hiragana is having 46 letters, and in that 5 vowel sounds are there, and they are A, I, U, E and O. So they are sound like A, E, U, A and O. They sound like A, E, U, A and O. So depending on this sound, vowel sounds, there are series. So there are series like Ka series, Ka, Sa, Ta, Na, Ha, Ma, Ya, Ra, Va. So all these series, these series are based on these vowel sounds. So if we start with K, so can you see the first column, very first column, K? So here K, then it becomes Ka. Vowel sound is A, so it becomes Ka. Then for Ki, E vowel sound there is Ki. Then for U or U vowel sound there is Ku. And for A vowel sound there is K. And for O vowel sound there is Ko. So the Ka series is like Ka, Ki, K, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Like A, E, U, A, O. These are vowels. A, E, U, A, O are vowels. And Ka series is Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. So likewise we can do the Sa series now. So the second after K letter there is S letter. In English S letter, and this series is Sa series. This series is Sa series. So first is Sa. Then it is not C, but it is She. S-H-I, She. So there is no C, there is She. Then Sa, She, then Su. You can see Su. Then Say. And last is So. So all will sound like vowels. So sa, she, su, say and so. Can you see? Okay. So now we will go to the T letter in English. So what is T? T letter will become Ta series. T is Ta series. And Ta series first is Ta. Then not T. It is Chi. C-H-I, Chi. Ta, Chi. And not Tu. It is Su. Su is T-S-U. Su. Then Te. And last is To. So it will become Ta, Chi, Su, Te and To. Okay. Then the next series is Na series. So the English letter is N letter. From N letter, Na series is there. So Na. First is Na. Na. Then Ni. Nu. Ne. And No. Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No. Then H letter is there. Next series. H letter. So it will become Ha series. First is Ha. Then Ha, He and not Who. Instead of Who there is Fu. So Ha, He, Fu, He and Ho. Again I will repeat Ha series. Ha, He, Fu, He and last is Ho. Okay. Then the next series is from the English letter M. M means Ma. Ma series. Now it will become Ma series from M. So first is Ma. Then Me. Then Mu. Me. And last is Mo. So Ma, Me, Mu, Me, Mo. This is the this is the Ma series. Ma, Me, Mu, Me, Mo. Then Ya series is there. Ya series is based on Y letter. English Y letter. So Y series is first is Ya. Ya. Then there is not Yi. Yi sound is not there. So Ya and You. Directly You. And then again Ye. Ye sound is not there. So last is Yo. So only three sounds are there. Ya, You and Yo. Ya, You, Yo. Okay. Ya, You and Yo. Then from English letter R there is Ra series. Ra series is first is Ra. First sound is Ra. Then Ri, Ru, Re and Ro. So Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro. This is the Ra series. And there is no L series. L from L letter is not there in Japanese language. So La series is not there. And all La series is like R. That is Ra series. So there is no L letter in Japanese language. So La series is not there. And they use, instead of L, Japanese people use R series. So all for L letters there is R letter. So Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro. If there is La, then it will become Ra. So in my name, Watashi wa Vidula desu. So Vidula is my name. So in Japanese it will become vi, dhu, and not ra. Vi and not la. It will become ra. So vi, dhu, ra. Vi, dhu, ra, and not la. So this is ra series. Ra, ri, ru, ru, re, ro. Then va. Va series. Va is based on the letter, English letter W. So first is va. Then wo. So all the other, that means vi, vu and ve is not there. Only va and wo is there. In va series only va and wo is there. Then n sound is there, so n. Actually we have done na series, that is na, ni, nu, ne, no. But in na series there is no n letter, is not there. So for n, specific n letter, there is n character is there, n letter is there. So this is n, only n letter is there. Then and the other letters, that is that series letters na, ni, nu, ne, no is different, and n is different. Okay, then now all the basic characters we have done. Now again there are some series left. These series are based on these basic letters that we have done, basic series that we have done so far. So these series, what we have done? We have done ka series, then sa series, ta series, na series, ha series, ma series, ya series, ra series, va series. So we have done all these series, and now we will do again 5 series are there, and that series are based on the original series, that is sa. First is ka, then sa, then ta, then ha. So all these 4 series, that means ka, sa, ta and ha, the other 5 series are based on this series. So first we will get the ka series here. First ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. We know, as we know, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. So now this ka series will become ga series. So all the letters are same letters we will write, but only one difference is there. That difference is we will use umlaut. Umlaut is the sign which is used on the top of the ka letter, and this sign is like two slanting lines. These lines are called umlaut. So this umlaut is used, and ga series, then it will become ga series. From ka it will become ga series. So ga, gi, gu, ge and go. It will become ga, gi, gu, ge, go, and that umlaut sign is used on the top of the ka series letters. So ka, if we write ka, then on top of ka we will use that umlaut sign, then it will become ga. Then when we write ki letter, on the top of the ki letter, we will use that umlaut sign, so it will become gi. Likewise ku, it will become gu. Then ke, it will become ge, and ko, it will become go. Only that sign is important. If we attach to ka series that sign, then it will become ga series. And likewise we will do the other series also. So when we use sa series, sa, she, su, se and so, sa, she, su, se and so. So that sa series will get used here, and it will, when we use that umlaut sign, then it will become zha series. So this zha series will be like this way: zha, ji, zu, zhe and zo. Only that sign we will use, and zha series will become like this: zha, ji. So she, the original sound is sa series she, but here it will become ji. So zha, ji and not ji, ji, j, ji. Sa, zha, ji, zu, then zhe and zo. Okay, then we will make use of ta series, and again we use that umlaut sign, and it will become da series. English letter is D, and from that letter da series will become, and we will use ta series, all letters we will use, and of course the use of umlaut sign. So it will become da, ji, zu, de and do. Da, ji, zu, de and do. So again you will notice that there is no du letter. So in my name, Vi Zu Ra, it will become Vi Zu Ra, because du letter is not there. Instead of du, there is zu. Zu letter is there. So da, ji, zu, de and do. Then we will make use of ha series, and again use of umlaut sign on the top of the ha series. Then it will become ba series. So ba, bi, bu, be, bo. It will become likewise ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Again the use of umlaut sign is important. Then the last series, we will again make use of ha series. So ha series is used 3 times. First is ha series. Then by using umlaut sign, again we will make use of ha series, and it becomes ba series. So ba, bi, bu, be, bo. And now again we will make use of ha series, but here this time we won't use umlaut sign. We will use again one sign, which is circle, small circle. So small circle, we will put small circle on the top of the ha letter or ha series letters, so that these series will become pa series. Pa series, English letter P. So it will become pa series. Only we will make use of circle sign on the top of the ha series letters. That is ha, he, hu, ha, he, fu, he, ho. These are the ha series letters, and we will use that circle, small circle on the top of these letters. So it will become pa, pi, pu, pe and po. So we have done now all the series. All the series we have done. Now we will do some joint letters. So these letters are done by the use of ya letter, ya series. So ya, you and yo, ya, you and yo letters series, ya series letters, we will get, we will attach ya series letters to the other letters. That means first is ky. Ky is kya series, ky. So k letter is there and y is attached, y is joined to k, then it will become ky in English, and this series will become kya series. So kya, q, kyo, kya, q, kyo. Only three series, three letters are there in this series, kya series. Kya, q, kyo, kya, q, kyo, ky. That means kya is ky. Then sh, s letter is there and h letter. So again we will attach y letter to it, then it will become sha. So sha series will become sha, shu, sho, sha, shu, sho. Like kya, q, kyo, this series is sha, shu, sho. Okay, then all these we use only ya series letters to this join letters, that is ky, sh, ch. Now we will do ch. So ch, that is ch is ch, and when we attach ya series, that is ya, you and yo, then it will become, when we attach ya, you and yo to ch, then it will become cha, chu and cho, cha, chu and cho. Then ny, in English ny, and when we attach these ya series, that is ya, you and yo to ny, then it will become nya, new, nyo, nya, new, nyo. Okay, then sugino letter, that is g. For letter, g is word for letter in Japanese language. So now we have done nya, new, nyo, and now hy, that is ya series, and we will join ya characters, all ya series, that is ya, you and yo, we will attach to hy. So it will become ya, and ya, you, yo, it will become ya, you, yo. Then my, that is me or my. So for my, to my we will attach again ya series, ya, you, yo to my, then it will become mya, mu and myo, ma, mu and myo. Then ry, last is ry. For ry we use again ya series, that is ya, you and yo to ry, then it will become ra, ryu and ryo, ra, ryu, ryo. Okay, then again some four series are there likewise. Then gya, so gya we can again attach ya series to gi later, then it will become gya, gyu, gyo. So we will attach gi we will attach ya series, that is ya, you, yo to gi letter. It will become gya, gyu, gyo, gya, gyu, gyo. And then we will attach again ya series, that is ya, you, yo to g letter, to g letter. So it will become ja, ju, jo, ja, ju, jo. Then we will attach ya series, that is ya, you, yo to b letter, b letter. Then it will become bya, byu, byo, bya, byu, byo. Then again we will attach lastly these ya series, that is ya, you, yo to p letter. Then it will become pya, pyu, pyo, pya, pyu and pyo. Okay. So we have done now all the hiragana letters and series today. Now from the next sessions we will revise all this what we have done, and for further almost all sessions we will revise and will do a quiz game to recognize the characters, because recognition of characters, all characters, is very important in the initial state. So all the hiragana, then katakana script we have to do. All for these two scripts we will revise in every session and will do the quiz game. Okay, for today, kyo wa koko de ijjo desu. Ja mata ashita. Bye.